Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set or insert line chart in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case, we have to take a Word file, MS and kinds of MS Word file. So here, lots of lots of subsections are presenting here. So now this so we will go to the insert options. Here have the chart, so we will click this chart. So here the line chart is here, so click the line chart. So here lots of line are present here, so we can take this lots of line chart here. So first of all we will take this. If we press OK, see, the chart has been opened, but there have another table which have been by default in this Microsoft Word file. So by default, which is not working for our practical life. So in this way, we suppose it is our work table. So copy this table as well as paste here. See, the same table has been pasted. See, so in this way the chart has been revealed. So now we will change the chart shape. So how? Here the chart design, or we will do lots of design. So this black sign here, also the 3D sign has. If we click this section, so lots of this here, or here also the chart style we can click. If we wanna see the number, see, category 1 what has, so category 1 has series 1 2 3 2 8 2. So here the 2, the category 1, as well as this press also true, and the 8. So series 1 2 3 which have been presented category 1. If we change this value, or here change this value 5, sorry 8, sorry 5, see, the change has been revealed 5. What? Here we have been changed 5. So here we have to actually change this section. So series 3 we have changed 5. Here also reveal the 5. So in this way we can easily draw, or we can easily say insert the line chart. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.